Okay, so in this video, I'll teach you the random feature. Okay, so import random, and this is the first way. For I in range, random.range 5 to 10. Okay, so this will pick a random number from 5 to 10, and as you see the for loop I've meant here. Okay, so now it will do it this many times, that random number times. Okay, so now this random.range thing, it will pick a random number from this, and now it will print that random number. Okay, it's gonna do it all over. It's gonna do it over and over because of this for loop. I kind of limited it to like not make it run that much like infinite, and I don't want to really cut that module, but I can show you stuff like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's between 5 to 100, and this, yeah, it means the boundaries. Okay, but if you don't believe me, like this just picks like something like if it's 5, 10, it's 8. Okay, and if you don't believe me, I'll run it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, it's 9 now. If you believe me, it goes like 8, 9, 10, something like that. Like that was a really lucky one. Okay, so now it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 now. Like it does it completely random. Okay, so now there's a second way. Okay, so I'll remove this first day. Oh, there's actually many other ways you can use this feature, but I only will teach you to like I can't go like this is one way, this is another way, this is another way, like you know what I mean. Okay, so now the second way is we're gonna create something that's called a list. Okay, so now a list contains a square bracket. Like you know in that random.range feature we use this, that doesn't mean it. Okay, in this, that doesn't mean it either. That is a dictionary. Now this square bracket is a list. Okay, so now let's say W, comma, E, comma, E. Okay, let's change this E because we don't want the same thing over and over again. Okay, so now, okay, I did a dictionary bracket. So now let me close the list. Okay, so now for I in range random not ran range 3 comma 10. Okay, so now let's close this bit. Like we have two parentheses here, one over here and one over here, so we need to have two parentheses here to balance it out. Okay, so now it goes like this: random. Wait. A equals random dot random. Okay, no, random dot choice W. Okay, now print A. Now let's run it. Okay, hey, why did I put a semicolon there? Now let's run it. Okay.